Are you importing from China? Are you getting frustrated with supplier selection and quality control? Nowadays, it's very easy to find suppliers on a B2B platform like Alibaba or Global Sources. But what if your company does not have a buying office in China? How do you verify the supplier? How do you do quality control? How do you ensure on-time delivery? The solution is iSourcingAgent.com. iSourcing Agent is a leading sourcing agent in China dedicated to helping overseas buyers source from China. We ensure the best quality and the best pricing. We also provide complete service for Amazon sellers, including customized packaging, Amazon labels, FBA shipping and more. We are well experienced in manufacturing and familiar with Chinese culture, which is widely important for business in China. We focus on helping small businesses source products from China. No minimum order quantity is required. Furthermore, we are not a trader. We forward suppliers' quotes to you directly, without any kickbacks. There are only 5 steps of product sourcing procedure. Step 1. Send us the details of the products you want to purchase. You will get feedback within 24 hours and get quotes within 48 hours. Step 2. We do supplier selection and price negotiation. After you confirm the price, we will arrange samples to you for approval. Step 3. Place order. Step 4. We monitor production and manage the timeline to ensure on-time shipment. We do pre-shipment inspection after production finished. Step 5. We manage shipping for you. After you sending us the inquiry, we handle everything until you get the products. With us, it's easy to source in China. If you just want quality control service, our QA team can help you professionally. Write to sunlandacc@163.com or leave a message on our website and you'll get response within 24 hours.